Welcome to the world of Google Antigravity. Today, we're diving into how to create incredible images using the Nano Banana Pro. First, open Google Antigravity. Set your canvas size to bring your vision to life. Now, select the Nano Banana Pro tool from the sidebar. It's your gateway to creativity. Choose from a variety of image styles. Experiment and express yourself. Use the advanced features to adjust colors, effects, and dimensions. Tailor your images. Once satisfied, save your masterpiece and share it with the world. You're ready to shine. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep experimenting and refining your skills with Nano Banana Pro. Join online communities to exchange ideas and get inspired by fellow creators. Set your imagination free. The sky's the limit when you use Nano Banana Pro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and start creating your dream images today. Explore others' artwork within the platform for inspiration. It's a creative playground. Get started with Nano Banana Pro today and elevate your image creation journey.